Hello guys, my name is Moxley, International Model Mystery. Anyway, I accidentally left my GoPro Hero 8 block at the Incheon International Airport Sashimi Center on my last meal from Korea. So I had to get another camera. So I decided to get a 360 1X camera. Let's go and take a look. Hey guys, so the reason I got this is because I know the Insta360 1X, the 1R is out, the new one that they announced, but I have to wait like 4 weeks to get it. So I decided to just get this for now, so I can do some 360 videos. So during my trip to Asia, I had ordered like 3 electric skateboards that I want to review. So I wanted a camera that I can sort of use the 360 function, not for the 360 videos. Good thing with this, or something like a GoPro Fusion or GoPro Max, is that you can take it in 360 and just use the angles that you want. So this is actually last year's model. I had the choice of going with this or the Fusion or the Max, but I just decided to go with this one. This seems like a better 360 camera. There is a micro USB, not sure what this is. So battery compartment. And on the bottom you got a tripod holder with a micro SD card slot. Now this is obviously not waterproof, so I'm not sure why they put it there, but it doesn't matter. I'm not going to use it in the water. So there's 2 buttons. I'm not sure what it does. Bear with me while I try to figure this out. Oops, I better put the battery in. Let's see, look at what's in the rest of the box. So there is a quick start guide. There is a... what is this? There's a little pouch so you can carry it on your neck. That's kind of cool. There's a quick start guide with stickers. You can do bullet shots if you have the bullet thing, the sling. I don't think that's a sling, right? Yeah. I'll definitely try that. I actually saw this at last year's CES, and they were actually going to send me one last year, but I didn't really have a use for it until now when I start reviewing electric skateboards, and this would be a perfect gadget for it. So I only really review stuff that I really use, and now I actually need to use it. Charging cable, and there is... ooh, it's like a sling thing, I think. So this is the sling where you can do the bullet shots, so it comes with it. I thought you had to purchase it separately. And finally, you have a battery. So my room is a complete mess here. I'm actually in the process of cleaning, but I'll still just do a quick video for you guys. We'll do a quick video and see how it looks like. I've got a brand new 128 gigs. I can record 168 minutes. So that's almost 2 hours and 48 minutes. Let me just go ahead and record real quick. I'm not sure what's going to happen. So it's recording my first video. Hey guys. Alright. That's kind of cool. Bye-bye. Have a great day. I know, my whole room is a mess. I'm in the middle of declutterizing. I'm actually donating a lot of this stuff. So, mind me, it's a ton of full of stuff. That's it. How does it look? So that's it for the unboxing. I'll definitely have to play with it a little bit more to give you guys a full review eventually. Also, I'll definitely get hands on the 1R also, which is supposed to be better, modular. That's kind of exciting too. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Watch out for my new electric skateboard videos, reviews. That's going to be using this camera. So you'll see all the effects you can do with this on those videos. Have a great day. And as always, stay on 360 cameras.